Hi, I'm Mark Woehrle. Welcome to our newest listing at 28 Holimont Court on the West Hamilton Mountain.
Hi, I'm Dagmar. This home features main floor open concept with 9-foot ceilings.
And the basement also features 9-foot ceilings.
Thank you for visiting us at 28 Holimont Court in Hamilton.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Hamilton, please call us.
I'm Dagmar Shindemi.
And my name is Mark Woehrle. We can be reached at 905-512-1846.